Foods that increase the risk of cancer. Fried foods. Fried foods such as potato chips, onion rings, and French fries contain unhealthy hydrogenated oil which is known as trans fat. These foods, when eaten at a regular basis, not only increase the risk of developing cancer, but also raise our cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Aside from this, foods that are fried are often at high temperatures which have acrylamide. Acrylamide is the byproduct of the process of deep fat frying. Acrylamide is a carcinogen and neurotoxin that have negative effects on the body. Sweetened drinks. Sweetened drinks with artificial sweeteners such as juices and soft drinks contain refined sugar and possess high glycemic loads. Sugar is the ideal source of carcinogens in our body and can help in the development of tumors or tumor growth. Alcoholic drinks. Drinking alcoholic drinks in moderation is considered safe, but if drank in excessive amounts, a person is at risk of developing not just cancer, but different types of cancer such as cancer of the breast, colon, liver, mouth, and the esophagus. Charred meat. Foods that are burned or overcooked, especially meats that are cooked at high temperatures, create heterocyclic aromatic amines which are a type of carcinogen. Foods, especially carbs, organic plants, or animal products that get burned during cooking are noticeably black in color, which is a sign that toxins are released and byproducts that have mutated and formed. The amount of these compounds increases as the meat is cooked at high temperatures at a longer period of time. Cured meat. Cured or processed meats contain a carcinogen named nitrotoxamin or nitrates. These meats are commonly what we encounter, such as sausage, bacon, and lunch meats. We, most especially pregnant women, should limit eating these types of foods. Donuts. Donuts are considered to be cancer-causing foods because it is made up of white flour, sugar, and hydrogenated oils. Apart from this, donuts are cooked deep-fried and at high temperatures. Plus, donuts contain high amounts of sugar which greatly affects the insulin production of the body, which can actually cause the growth and division of cancerous cells, most especially in the pancreas. Until the next video, thank you for watching.